ABC, Learning for Kids.
Hi friends, today we're going to go ahead and pick out our book. Are you ready? We're going to go ahead and read farm sounds.
Farm sounds. Written and illustrated by Amy Mullen. The pig says, "Oink, oink." The rabbit says, "Squeak, squeak." The cat says, "Meow, meow." The cow says, "Moo, moo." The chicken says, "Cluck, cluck." The goat says, "Bleat, bleat." The duck says, "Quack, quack." The horse says, "Neigh, neigh." Word list: bleat, cat; chicken, cluck; cow, duck; goat, horse; meow, moo; neigh, oink; pig, quack; rabbit, says; squeak, the.
Hi friend, that's the end of our book today. Parents, go ahead and use the word list to teach your children new words. Bye! Make sure to subscribe.